Alright, ngayon naman mga boss, I'm with Cassie De Guzman, our singer and performer for today. Hi Cassie, welcome to Good Morning Boss.
Hello po, good morning po.
Alright Cassie, before we start, syempre sana mabigay mo yung quick story mo about your background being a singer.
I started singing po when I was 7 years old.
7 years old?
Yes, pero nag-focus lang po ako lately lang, 2011 po, I think.
So ano ba yung mga usual mga kinakanta mo? Anong genre?
Ages po.
Ages.
Opo.
So saan ka ba pwedeng makita ng ating mga viewers? Do you have any Facebook page? Or meron ka bang schedule ng mga gigs? Or may mga upcoming projects ka na ba?
Yes, I will be part of the national tour po ng Exquisite Production, Talent na Elevate under SML shows. On October 10 po, sa Manila Hotel po, Catch Asia's Song Princess, Emma Gorderos po.
Alright, thank you so much, Cassie.
Okay.
Ayan, ito na mga boss, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let us all welcome Cassie De Guzman.